Mustang, we just did a 447-inch Windsor. Call this Helinor. So here's the Helinor. I wanted to show you the bottom of the car, a nice craftsmanship of it. Got a bladdered fuel cell, independent rear suspension. Over here we got some battery lugs, so you can charge the car. Scott's Hot Rods did a great job on that. Coilovers. Got a custom dual exhaust, 3-inch on V-band assemblies that exit the side. Actually has quite nice ground clearance. Got a lot of rubber in the back. Moving on here, you can see the structure support for the tying in the frame. Really ties the frame together, gives it a lot of rigidity. Again, some custom headers, you know, long primaries, good little merge collector on there. Scatter shield. Got the Chris Dalston rack and pinion. It's got one of our 447 injected small blocks in it, 630 horsepower. You can see here the crank trigger ignition, so there's no distributor. That is your distributor right there. 4-wheel disc all the way around. And this is a driven car. It's actually this clean under there, but this thing's driven, it's not babied. Alright, let's load it down and show some more nice features of it. Here's another cool feature we did with the car is, you know, Gary the owner, he likes to run this thing pretty heavy, so we had a custom Ron Davis radiator made. It's a dual pass, dual 1.25-inch row radiator with twin spall fans. Shroud's custom made into it. But even at that radiator gets a little, you know, doesn't keep up when you really start pushing. So if you look at the front here, we added a second radiator additionally in the front of the existing radiator. And this thing, you can't get it above 190. You can push the shit out of it now. Along with that, we've got an additional power steering cooler, so you can run hard, not cook the fluid. All sorts of special stuff like double capacity power steering reservoir with internal baffling. This is our injected. It has an eight throttle blades with individual injector per cylinder IR setup. This motor is incredibly snappy. So just pretty all in all a neat combination. Even down to the valve covers go into a special breather tank so no oil gets put anywhere. Kind of another neat item, billet hood hinges. Those are some Ring Brother deals. Let's take a look at the inside. Pretty nice little dash assembly. It's got those Maxim gauges, kind of schluffed off as factory. This is kind of cool with the stereo setup in the back here. Got your JBL amps next to the nitrous bottles with some nice speaker enclosures inside. And the car's just really well done. I love these little low back side bolster buckets here. Provide some ideas for you guys watching. Here's a view of the trunk. There's the little gas fill neck going into the cell. Of course, cage is tied in, removable bar back there. Tail lights grafted into it. These little side pillars grafted into it.